Welcome all of you to this new video. In this video I'm gonna share with you about one course and one workshop which has been offered by the ISRO. So without any further delay, let's get started. For that, to access this course and this workshop, what you need to do, you need to just come on your any browser, whatever browser you are using, and you need to search over there IIRS, and you just click over there. Yes, you can see the second one, Indian Institute of Remote Sensing, is they are suggesting. You need to just click over there. Now first, as you can see, the result of the Google has been offered. Official website of Indian Institute of Remote Sensing. Indian Institute of Remote Sensing also one of the part of ISRO. So you need to just click over there, and let me just wait for to load this page. As you can see, this page has been open. What they are showing? They are showing national portals of India, CHSS portals, admissions, Antriksh Gyan. But for today's video, these are not all our topics. Our topic is one certified course and one workshop with certificate. Okay, for that we need to just come over there, your distance learning program, and as you can see, it's IIS outreach program. If people are watching with a mobile phone, then by clicking on the distance learning, they will show one page expand. Just you need to click over there, expand, then it will gonna expand in about e-learning and eduset. So you need to just click over there, eduset, the last one. Now the page has been loaded. See, course ID 113H, geodata processing using Python, which has been started from January 16, which will start from January 16 to 27. Okay, and the next one, as I have told you, I'll share with you one course and as well as one workshop. So another workshop is this one, workshop ID 1029. Don't worry about that. In the further video, I'll share with you how to register and how to get access with the course. Okay, so be with me. So workshop ID 1029H, space technology and its application in Hindi. If you are familiar with the Hindi, then you must have to enroll in this one workshop. Else you can continue with the geodata processing certified course. And it has been it's gonna be held on 10th of January. So for that, both procedure are almost same. How to register? So I'm gonna share with you the course procedure. Then you can apply the same procedure in by clicking on the online registration form. And before that, I want to share with you one thing, that course browser and course schedule. Later I'll share with you this one also. Let's see what's gonna open. For that, what to do, if you are first in this e-learning platform or ISRO program, then you need to just register with your full name as per your class 10 certificate, with your email ID, personal email ID, then your confirmation, and then password. Password should be contain one lowercase, one uppercase, one number from 0 to 9, and one special character should be contained in the password, and at least 8 characters. Why? Because to further strongest password. Okay, or if you people have already registered, means I have already registered, so I'm gonna be login my page. So I'm going to just blur this part, and I'm going to log in. I just wait. Now login and just I'll connect with you guys. Login. And this might be login. So by login, as you can see, you will get your course to choose from here. After registration, you need to just select the course geodata processing using with Python or space technology. If you want to go with both, you can go. You can select both, but one by one. Okay, and then your whatever your graduation or undergraduation, individual. This is the important part. What I want to share with you. Mode of registration: individual means only your name gonna be shown in your certificate, or if you wanna register with your IRS Nadal Center means whatever your university name, your college name, your institute name. If your institute is already registered or not, if you are already registered means if you search over here your register name, your university name, your college name, it will show like this. Sorry. Might be not showing. If already means it. Oh, you need to just first select your course. I'll just select and then select institute. Search Anna University. Denny Institute list. Okay. It means for now at this time you need to go with the individual registration, as I have already done my one. I will share with you my application status. Applied courses, they're going to show applied courses. Okay, I don't know what's the problem. Let me just share with you the course brochure and course schedule one by one. This is the course brochure, IRS outreach program, as I have already told you about IRS, and overview of geo processing using Python and many more things. What I'll do, I'll just put the link below in this for this PDF. You can download and you can check it out. And the another one is course schedule, how it's gonna be on. So the timing is from 16 to 27, and from 16 to 7, from 4 to 5:30, means every day almost 1.5 hour you need to just spend for your course every day. See, 16, 17, 18, 19, 4 to 5:30, 4 to 5, 4 to 5:30, and then again 4 to 5:30. Almost, if you're gonna spend, if you have the time to spend 1.5 hour for your for this course, then you can able to grab the certificate from the ISRO, one of the reputed institute or organization of our country. So further, let me just share with you something. Initial what's okay, but it's not going to be showing my application status. Already they have approved my both of the courses, geodata processing and space technology. I don't know what's the problem. Let me just refresh once more. Due to some internet connection problem, it was not loading my courses as I have tapped on the application status. But right now, let me just check once again. As you can see, my both our courses has been approved. Geodata processing using Python and space technology and its application. But first of all, you will gonna be apply for that, it will show pending, but within 1 day or within 2 days, maximum 2 days, it's gonna be approved. So don't worry about that. If it's gonna be showing for 1 or 2 days pending, but before course gonna be started, it's gonna be approved. Thanks for watching this video.